Church in Oxford. Psalm 18 verse 2. The Lord is my rock, my fortress and my deliverer. My God is my rock in whom I take refuge, my shield and the horn of my salvation, my stronghold. We all face battles in life, and sometimes it's a health situation or a difficult issue at work, or maybe a relationship which has got a bit tricky. And when you're in a battle, lots of the things that we build our lives on, which we place our trust on, our status, or what other people think about us, or maybe our finances, some of those things are knocked away, and it can become disorientating and confusing, and we can feel, I don't feel as secure now. But a battle is an opportunity to realize that those things, they were never intended to bear the weight of all our trust and our hopes. Not necessarily bad things, but they're not where our ultimate hope lies. And so in a battle, it's really important to listen to your heart, to pray our unfiltered emotions to God. We see that all through the Psalms. To turn our worries into prayers, to turn our fears into prayers. There's not an emotion you feel that God can't handle. It's really important to listen to your heart, but it's also really important to speak to your heart. And that's what David is doing here. He's reminding himself, speaking to himself, preaching to his heart and saying, the Lord is my rock, my fortress and my deliverer. Whatever you're facing today, the Lord is your rock. He's sure ground. He's your fortress in whom you can hide. And he is your deliverer. He is your salvation. So I just encourage you, whatever you're facing today, listen to your heart and speak to your heart. And remind yourself, maybe you want to do it on the hour, every hour this day. Remind yourself who God is and what he's done. Speak to your heart. The Lord is my rock, my fortress, and my deliverer.